Hello friends, welcome to my channel Prachi Style. Here I am with one more fragrance review. So the fragrance which we'll be reviewing today is from Zara, which is from the Ocean range. So I think it's their special summer collection. So I just like this fragrance a lot and I thought I should share this with you. So I've recently purchased this fragrance from a Zara store in Ahmedabad. So this is a 100 ml bottle and it is EDP concentration, which is a higher concentration of fragrance oil. And just look at the bottle. It's so beautiful, and also the liquid is blue. I think the overall theme of the packaging shows that it's a summery vibe. So it has that summer special fragrance, and I have bought this bottle for 2950 rupees. They didn't have any discounts, unfortunately, but for 2950 it is definitely worth it because it's an EDP for 100 ml. They also had one more fragrance which I really loved. It was fashionably London, but it was just 50 ml, and I think it was the last bottle which was sold out. So I like this one and that as well. So today we'll be reviewing this fragrance, and this is a typical summer clean fresh fragrance, and this is launched in collaboration with Jo Malone. I think it is a collection which is created by Jo Malone, CEBE, founder of Jo Loves. So she, that is Joanne Malone CBE, is a perfumer from Jo Malone. She used to work in Jo Malone London. So Jo Malone London is a very famous British brand, which is famous for niche fragrances, high-end luxury fragrances with high quality of products. It is also quite famous, and most of the celebrities love to apply that fragrance. They also have very beautiful and niche fragrances. So she was initially a part of Jo Malone London, but later she exited the brand and co-founded this brand called as Jo Loves. So she's the perfumer who has created this fragrance, and the fragrance is so lovely. It's that aquatic, beautiful, marine, citrusy, fresh, clean, a fragrance which definitely gives you beach vibes, summery vibes, and the fresher, cleaner fragrances, the typical ones which we do like to apply in summers. So this is that particular fragrance, but the way in which they have designed it, it is a bit strong as well, which we usually desire in summers. So it's not that faint citrusy fragrance. It's a very different fragrance, and my husband loved it. So I think it's unisex. So it's not as strong as men fragrances. Actually it is on the first spray, but definitely men would also love this fragrance. So the notes for this fragrance are bergamot, ginger and musk. However, not mentioned in notes, but I did smell a bit of vetiver in the notes on the spray. So yeah, it does have a bit of vetiver or some freshness to it, the marine aquatic note which vetiver usually gives, the slight sweetness. Somehow I did smell vetiver in this. If you have this fragrance and you smell vetiver, please do let me know in the comment section below. But the fragrance is a bomb. So the fragrances which usually have citrusy notes, and we think that it's the cliche smell of typical lemon which will overpower every other note mentioned in the notes. So no, it is not that way. The fragrance initially does have a blast of citrusy notes, but also at the same time, after the first spray, the rush of citrusy notes, you get the slightly beautiful notes of musk enveloped with, I think, vetiver, and the strong, a bit strong feel of ginger. But the fragrance is really very nice. It gives you that marine, aquatic, fresh, watery vibe to it, which is ideal for summers. So I really like this fragrance a lot. They are calling it Zara Ocean NO3. So I think it's from their Ocean range, but this was the only fragrance which we saw in the women's section in Zara store. This was also the last bottle which I could get my hands on because it was sold out. So this was, I think, one of the most popular fragrances. Everybody was just asking for this one, and yeah, it definitely is a good buy at this price, and the quality in which they've made it. It definitely is a very niche fragrance, and also reflects the designer, designer vibe, that because a designer has designed it, so you can feel that. And I had also checked for a few other fragrances online. So if you have to pay 29-50 rupees for a fragrance, I would definitely choose this one, because Zara has a great performance of fragrances. Even this one has, it's stronger, it's beautiful, it is for those sunny days, it is for a beach visit, or vacation to Maldives or Bahamas. It gives you that vibe, so it's definitely worth buy, unisex, and there are few other beautiful notes to it. But if you like milder fragrances, you might not like this one. I'd advise you to just take a tester and test it before you buy this. But for those of you who like clean, fresh, citrusy fragrances, this is definitely worth buying. Also, performance wise, and usually we do smell something synthetic sometimes in fragrances. In this, I could not smell that. On the first spray, I could feel the quality of the products which was used. Somehow, I'm not sure if it makes sense for you, but I could feel beautiful citrusy notes on the first spray itself. There was no synthetic smell or anything like that. So it does reflect the designer fragrance. It gives you that vibe of using a high-end perfume at this price, because I've previously bought few high-end fragrances for even higher prices, which are not at all giving that feel of a designer fragrance. So for this cost, this one is definitely a worth buy. And those of you who like such fragrances, please run to the Zara store, because this is getting sold out. But yeah, I really like this, because I don't have many lemony fragrances in my collection. There was just one more from Nykaa which I've reviewed previously, I think Amalfi fragrance, but that had a strong lemon note to it. So it was like you are smelling lemon zest or lemon. So this one, Caviar Bergamot, does not have that strong lemony feel. It has the slight orangey kind of a feel because of bergamot. So it's not sharp punch of lemon on your face. It's sweety, citrusy, and woody, musky notes, so which blend perfectly on the skin. So I really loved this fragrance, and it was not in my collection previously. There was no aquatic, citrusy kind of a fragrance which I really loved. So this fragrance is definitely recommended. And if you like this fragrance, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you are watching this video from your YouTube mobile app, please do hype this video so it reaches more and more people and helps my channel to grow. Also, if you like the videos that I create, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until the next video, thank you. Keep smelling nice. Bye bye. Take care, everyone.